Alright, progress on the 7th of January. So basically the scene still looks as it used to look, but internally it's very different. The biggest issue I encounter that the code base grew up massively because with vibe coding and this AI augmented programming, it's super easy to add more code, but it's very, very difficult to remove it. And well, colliders were gone at some point. I did not figure out when, but I'm still trying to generalize it as much as possible. So the stage I'm stuck right now is how to add that RTS camera. Actually, like whatever feature needed to be added which communicates with Unity, a really issue, because like I don't know Unity and I wouldn't have enough time to learn it fast enough. But vibe coders aren't really great at anything visual, so I tried to prompt it what it gives me some inventory system. It did not work, and right now I'm stuck in fairly straightforward feature how to find RTS isometric view camera, where I can box select these units, and when I hit enter, let's say, I will have a direct possession of a unit. Because right now with this guy I have a root motion, so you see it's walking fairly like consistent with leg movement, and these guys don't really move consistent with leg movement. So animation is separate, absolutely separate model from a COM simulation. But the reason I did that in the hope that these different layers in the code base are really fairly independent from each other. So they all like the core completely C#, so it's like Unity agnostic. It doesn't know anything about anything. AI works with core directly, the runtime works with AI and core, and Vue just able to watch the core plus maybe some Unity adapters. And code base is absolutely humongous, like 18,000 lines, but I hope that it would be possible to prompt it in such way that I would refactor it and would able to essentially display a huge code base, because like code base grew up with this AI Claude Code programming very, very quickly, because it's easy to add it code than to remove it. And the only working solution I'm thinking is how to properly segregate it into the independent layers, and within each layers have independent blocks like models, and test these models independently. The next thing I want to add is something visual, so either the direct unit possessions or maybe a building system like Valheim style. But again, the Unity thing sounds like easy thing if you know what you're doing, but I don't know what I'm doing. But as soon as it's done, I think it will be far faster progress, because it's again in the core it's just agent which able to work not only in the game setup but also like inside of CRM, inside of some business setup. So it's actually agnostic about pretty much anything. It just have a certain sensors and a certain actuators, and it should work. If it works in the simulation, it should be able to give some practical value outside of Unity. Well, we'll see. I give myself another week to try.